Hello everyone! I am a Japanese tutor, Ayana. 皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のAyanaです。今日のレッスンでは、質問の仕方を勉強します。In this lesson, you will learn how to ask yes/no questions. So this is the Japanese letter ha, but the pronunciation is wa. X は Y です。Then you add ka. So that becomes question. So for example, 留学生です。留学生です。It's留学生 means international student. Then you add ka at the end. So that would be 留学生ですか? Let's practice. Repeat after me. 留学生です。One more time. 留学生です。So that means I'm an international student. But if you want to turn it into the question, you add the ka. So that would be 留学生ですか? One more time. 留学生ですか? Good. Next one. 鈴木さんは先生ですか? So that means 鈴木さんは先生ですか? Suzuki is one of the popular Japanese family name. Suzuki. Oh, maybe you know it's a car manufacturing company. It's Suzuki. Oh. And then sensei, the teacher. Then, so that means is Mrs. Suzuki the teacher? Let's practice. Repeat after me. 鈴木さんは先生ですか? One more time. 鈴木さんは先生ですか? Okay, so let's try to translate on your own. The number one is your major Japanese language. So that means 専攻は日本語ですか? 専攻 means major. 日本語 is a Japanese language. Then ですか is a question. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 専攻は日本語ですか? One more time. 専攻は日本語ですか? Next sentence is, are you a New Zealander? So that would be ニュージーランド人ですか? So adding か to turn into the question. Repeat after me. ニュージーランド人ですか? So as you hear か like a go up か. Okay, I will give you one more example sentence using か. あなたはエンジニアですか? あなたはエンジニアですか? So I asked, are you an engineer? Okay, so we learned how to use ka today. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.